Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to MetaMask. First, ensure your Ledger device's firmware is fully updated for optimal security and compatibility. Next, install the Ethereum application on your Ledger through Ledger Live. Finally, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension already installed and configured. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and secure connection process. Now, let's prepare your Ledger device. Connect your Ledger to your computer using its USB cable. Once connected, unlock the device by entering your personal PIN code. After unlocking, navigate to and open the Ethereum application on your Ledger. The device screen should display "Application is ready" or a similar message, indicating it's prepared for connection. With your Ledger ready, open the MetaMask extension in your browser. Click on the circular account icon located in the top right corner of the MetaMask interface. From the drop-down menu, select the option Connect Hardware Wallet. On the next screen, choose Ledger from the available options, then click the Connect button. MetaMask will then attempt to detect your connected Ledger device. MetaMask will now present a list of available Ledger accounts. Carefully select the specific account you wish to connect and import into MetaMask. You might be prompted to confirm the connection directly on your Ledger device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once confirmed, your chosen Ledger account will appear within your MetaMask wallet, ready for secure transactions. Remember, your private keys remain safely on your Ledger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.